So I am going to make a screen recorder app. While doing a screen recording, I find it very difficult to zoom in or zoom out some of the things which I want to show. So I have explained all the things, all the details to the grok, and now I will open Antigravity and do the coding parts here. All the changes which I want to make in the website, I have just write down it here. So this is the thing. Let's see what Antigravity is making. While Antigravity was building some features, I have done some push-ups. So this is the first look of ScreenFlow X. Let's see. Let's give the camera permission.